In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly remove text from an image using Photoshop. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be handling 2 effective techniques to tackle unwanted text with ease and precision. So, let's dive right in and get started with the first method. We begin by selecting the Spot Healing Brush tool, which is a fantastic way to eliminate text with minimal effort. If you're using your keyboard, you can quickly select this tool by pressing the letter J. This tool is designed to effectively blend and repair different areas of your image, making it perfect for this task. Next, you'll want to pay attention to the brush settings. You'll find these in the options bar at the top of your screen. Ensure that the brush type is set to Content Aware. What this does is allow Photoshop to intelligently fill in the area you're about to work on with the surrounding pixels, making any corrections look as natural as possible. As a tip, make sure to adjust the brush size to be just slightly larger than the text you're planning to remove. This gives you enough coverage to paint over the text smoothly without leaving any traces behind. Once you've got your settings in place, it's time to paint over that text. Simply click and drag your cursor over the text, and you'll see how Photoshop automatically works its magic, blending the text into the surrounding area using the nearby colors and textures. It's a quick and often magical-looking process that gives a clean result. Now let's explore an alternative method, which offers a bit more control and is often used for more complex backgrounds. Begin by creating a duplicate of your image layer. On Windows, you can do this by pressing Ctrl and J together, and on a Mac, it's CMD and J. This step helps maintain a copy of the original image, acting as a backup. After duplicating, use either the lasso tool by pressing the L key or the object selection tool with the W key to draw around the text you wish to remove. This selection acts like a boundary that contains the area Photoshop will work on in the next step. With your text selected, right-click inside the selection area and choose Fill from the context menu. This will bring up the Fill dialog box. Here, set the Contents option to Content Aware. When you click OK, Photoshop will replace the text with content based on the surrounding areas, creating an almost seamless patch that looks natural to the viewer. Each of these methods offers unique advantages, and you might find one works better for your particular needs. Feel free to experiment with both to see which one gives you the best results. Thanks for watching, and I hope these techniques empower you to make your photo editing as precise and effective as possible.